I am Hasra with WTI, and I'm in my kitchen today because I wanted to show you one of my favorite things to use when seasoning my food, especially my meats. This is the garlic powder from Badia, and this one is the 3-ounce little bottle, and it comes in a pack of 12. I love how versatile this product is. And I think this is really good stuff. It has a great flavor. It is really powdery because it blends easily whenever I'm cooking, and no one can even tell I used this one. I don't have to use as much, and the smell and taste are awesome. It's something that I can never go without. It's something I always have in my kitchen. I love garlic in general, and this makes life so much easier because I don't have to be chopping garlic every time, and that's awesome, especially when you don't have a lot of time to be prepping ingredients for your food. I am absolutely satisfied with this product. This is good stuff to season any meat or any food. I also use it for soups, and it goes just great with soups or bread and oil. So yeah, I love the versatility of this product. It is awesome, and if you're a garlic lover like me, I highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.